The thought of being able to watch videos all day for a living sounds appealing. This is great news for you because we've got the perfect job for you. However, don't worry, this isn't one of those sketchy online scam activities. This video demonstrates how to make $2.48 for every 3 minutes spent watching videos. What I'm about to show you is unknown to hundreds of millions of viewers, and it has the potential to earn you a great deal of money. Making money online may be as simple as following this approach, which I'll show you how to accomplish on autopilot. When it comes to making money, you won't even have to put in any effort. A simple setup, but you must do so correctly the first time around. If you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you the website's name and show you how to boost your revenue.
Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online.
I'm going to introduce to you wintop.com in this video. In your search box, type this in and then press enter. Afterward, you will be forwarded to the homepage of the website. Watching videos on the internet is something that most people do regularly, so Wintop has become the most popular website where people can earn money for doing something they already do online. You can get money by watching advertisements for products, movies, television series, or any other enjoyable videos online. This business gives customers a wide variety of options for cashing out their earnings, including web money, Bitcoin, and PayPal, just to mention a few. They have already paid out their subscribers, since the means that they use to do so are not only very easy to obtain but are also very well known. You can truly rely on this website since they have worked with several companies including AppNext, TubeMogul, LiveStreet, and PubMatic. How does this website work exactly? You will first need to create an account, which I will demonstrate in a moment. After that, we will be able to begin watching videos, and next you have the option to participate in the Wintop referral program. All you have to do now is tell your friends about this website, and as soon as this person uses your referral link to join up for the service, you'll be able to earn $1 from that referral, while your friend will receive $5 simply by signing up for the service. As soon as the money starts coming in, you'll be able to easily withdraw your earnings by sending them to one of their accessible payout platforms, as I mentioned earlier in this video. Simply click on the sign up button at the top of this page to get started. You'll need to fill out the form with your personal information. Put your name, birthday, gender, email address, and password in the fields provided. After that, check the box next to I'm not a robot to confirm your identity and to accept their terms and conditions, and then click the create account button. As you can see on your profile, the company has already deposited $5 into your account as a sign-up incentive. How incredible is that? Following that, I'll walk you through the process of adding even more money to your account. Please start playing this video for me, and you will see an ad just before the video starts. After that, the video will start playing, but there's no need for us to see it all the way through. Only 34 seconds are expected for us to watch it. While the video is playing, keep an eye out for the timer, which indicates how much time is left in the video. When the 34 seconds are done, we just click on the complete button and you will be shown another ad. After that, we just shut the window and click on the complete button again, and a notification will appear indicating that we have earned 61 cents. We have nothing else to do at this point, and the money will appear in our account if we simply refresh the website, and that is so easy.
Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below.
Let's take a look at the current balance, which comes to $5.61. The only thing that is left for us to do is to carry out the same procedure for the following videos 2, 3, 4, and 5. However, keep in mind that you can only watch a total of 5 videos in a single day. This restriction is in place for fair usage of the website, but there's no cause for alarm because we can still use those 5 videos to generate a significant amount of money. The process is as follows. First, you need to create multiple accounts, and then you need to view these 5 videos. For instance, you have the ability to create 5 accounts. That one account will earn you 61 cents plus 32 cents plus 47 cents plus 52 cents plus 56 cents. And in under 3 minutes, This will bring you a grand total of $2.48 in one account in a day. If you have 5 accounts, you may quickly and easily earn up to $12.40, even though it won't take you more than a few minutes. Do not worry if you do not have many email addresses. Here's a special bonus tip for you. Allow me to demonstrate something quickly. After logging out of my account, we initiate the process of making a new account by clicking Sign Up. Simply repeat the steps you took when creating an account. Now, when we attempt to use your initial email address again, the site will indicate that it has already been used. Email is taken, try another. So here's the catch. All you have to do to get it work is insert a period anywhere in between the email address letters, just like what I'm doing right now. As you can see, a brand new account has been created. Actually, a dot may be placed anywhere within the email address. You may enter here, here, or even here. Any of these versions are acceptable. All emails sent to the alternate email addresses I just displayed will be redirected to the original address. This is how Google operates, and it's a technique that few people are aware of. Now that we have finished here, let's head back to the main account and continue watching the video. We plan to use this website's referral program in order to increase the amount of money we make from using it. Let's begin by navigating to the top right corner of the screen. Let's go to the top right corner and drag your mouse on the My Account button and then select Referral. We will be taken to this page, and when someone uses your referral link to sign up, you will receive $1 in your account. The only concern that remains at this point is how we will go about finding persons to refer. Now, I'll tell you the secret bonus trick that you can use to get a huge number of people online to find your links, click on them, and make you money. Let's go to facebook.com and type in Make Money Online. Let's scroll down and choose Public Groups. If you scroll down below, you'll see a list of all these groups. The good news is it's easy for us to join any of these groups. If I click on this group right here, I'll be taken to this page where I can see a lot of posts with different ways to make money online. So all you need to do is make a post like this one. Now in Facebook group, let's click on the box that says what's on your mind, and I'm going to type this as an example. I just watched ads on this site and made $80. It's completely free of charge. Just leave a comment below and I'll send you more information. Next, to attach the picture to the post. Let's look up the WinTap proof of payment on Google, and then let's click on the images tab to make our search easier. Now, a lot of results will be shown, and all we have to do is pick an image that shows a proof of payment from WinTap. We wrote $80 in our post, so let's choose this picture and save it on our desktop. Next, we go back to Facebook and click right here to attach the picture we just downloaded, and afterwards you can now post it. Then you're easily done. You may make roughly $600 a month from a simple Facebook post if you get 20 people to sign up every day. A lot of money may be made by repeating this technique in multiple Facebook groups.
And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.